EnateAI is our way of making it stupidly simple to deploy AI in delivering your service. What we're doing is we're helping you at the very start of service delivery to, for example, categorize and understand the emails that you're receiving into the service. So get an email in, EnateAI will automatically categorize it to the right ticket category or case. Then we'll figure out what sentiment somebody's talking to you over so that you can know if you need to react differently to them or not. And you can generally track the sentiment of your customer base. With EnateAI, we can automatically extract data from the emails that you receive. And if you receive documents as well, you can use the EnateAI IDP capabilities to extract data from those documents, taking unstructured data and turning it into structured data. Loads of people are rightly really concerned about security around AI, what's happening with their data, where it's being processed, how it's being managed. And we've been really careful about how we've brought EnateAI to bear and into the market so that we can address people's security concerns. So we're running EnateAI on top of a whole bunch of the Microsoft AI services. That means that when a customer sends us their data to process through EnateAI, it never leaves our Enate tenant. It doesn't get used to train anybody else's AI system. It doesn't even get used to train our own AI system. Yeah. We're using generic models without cross-training onto them. That means that none of our customers' data is being amalgamated or squished together into the training of those models. And finally, we can do things that sound really simple but are actually really subtle, like figuring out if you can ignore an email. Is it just somebody saying thank you? Or is it somebody saying thank you and can you do this for me? So those are all of the things that you can do with EnateAI, and you can get them just by going into the Enate marketplace and switching them on.